400,000 miles, 500,000 miles. Some even hit 600,000. Only 3 Silverados models last this long. Hit subscribe right now so you don't miss how to make yours last forever. Not all Silverados are created equal. 3 specific models that mechanics call bulletproof. 3 models that will outlast every Ford, every Ram, every Toyota. If you own one of these 3, you made the smartest decision of your life. Number 1. GMT 800 with Vortec 5.3, years 2000 to 2006. Why is this legendary? Simple engine design, no complicated technology, cast iron block, practically indestructible, hydraulic lifters that actually last, proven transmissions that never quit. Mechanics say if you want 300, 400, even 500,000 miles with just oil changes, this is it. Owners report 250,000 miles with 0 major repairs, just maintenance. This is the Silverado that built the legend. Number 2. 2016 to 2018 with AFM delete installed. GM fixed early problems by 2016. The L83 EcoTech 3 engine is powerful and efficient when AFM is disabled. 8-speed transmission is smooth and reliable. Buy a 2016 to 2018, install AFM delete for $800 to $1,200, and you've got 300,000 miles guaranteed. Owners who deleted AFM report 0 lifter tick, 0 oil consumption, engines running perfect at 200,000 plus. Modern Silverado done right. Hit that like button and comment what year Silverado you own. Number 3. Any Silverado with Duramax diesel. Diesel engines are built for extreme mileage. While gas engines struggle past 200,000, Duramax is just getting started. Best years? 2001 to 2004 LB7, 2011 to 2016 LML, and 2017 plus L5P. Duramax owners regularly hit 400, 500, even 600,000 miles. One owner, my 2003 has 490,000 miles, original engine and transmission, runs like new. If you want a Silverado that outlives you, get a Duramax. The 3 indestructible Silverados. Number 1. GMT 800 with Vortec, the legend. Number 2. 2016 to 2018 with AFM delete, modern and bulletproof. Number 3. Any Duramax diesel, built to last forever. If you own one of these, congratulations, you're driving a truck that will serve you for decades. Drop your Silverado year in the comments. Let's see who has the highest mileage. If this helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss videos that save you thousands. Thanks for watching. See you next time.